Good morning, dear students. I will give exercise from chapter 8. Name of the chapter 8 is the cell structure and functions. First one, MCQ multiple choice questions. The smallest known cell is that of a bacterium. The largest animal cell is of an ostrich egg, which is as big as 1 millimeter into 170 millimeter into 135 millimeter. Amoeba and bacteria have only one cell. Fourth one, larger plants and animals contain billion of cells. Billions of cells. The basic unit of living thing is called cell. The cell membrane, the cytoplasm and the nucleus are included in protoplasm. Stabularia, a unicellular organism, has a single cell which is about 10 centimeter in length. Eighth, a nerve cell is long branched and has thread-like projections Ninth one, in the egg yolk is surrounded by the white substance called albumin. Tenth one, Robert Hooke observed thin slices of cork under his crude microscope, and he found that the cork was made of box-like compartments called cells. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Second one, fill in the blanks. First one, the nucleus is the control center of the cell. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. The term cell was given by Robert Hooke. The instrument used to see tiny objects is called a microscope. The smallest cell is that of bacteria. An egg is a cell that can be seen without a microscope. The cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus are part of a cell. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus are parts of a cell. Seventh, chloroplast is absent from animal cell. Eighth one, cell wall is present in plant cell. You can see again. First one, the nucleus is the control center of the cell, and the term cell was given by Robert Hooke, and the instrument used to see tiny objects is called microscope, and the smallest cell is that of bacteria, and an egg is a cell that can be seen without a microscope. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus are parts of a cell. Chloroplast is absent from animal cell, and cell wall is present in plant cells. Now come to the true false. Third one, true false. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Only the nucleus of a cell represent the protoplasm. False. First one is the false. Second one, most of the cells are microscopic. True. Third one, all living organisms are made of cells. True. Fourth one, all cells in a multicellular organisms can live independently. False. Fifth one, the outermost covering in an animal cell is called the cell wall. False. Sixth, amoeba has an irregular shape. True. Nerve cells are long and branched. True. And now come to the match the following. Fourth one, match the following. Match the following. First one, cell, unit of living body. Unit of living body. Second one, nucleus, boss of the cell. Your nucleus, boss of the cell. Cell wall, plant cell. Cell wall, plant cell. Fourth one, chloroplast, green pigment present. Chloroplast, green pigment present. Green pigment present. Fifth one, cytoplasm, jelly like substance between. Jelly like substance between cell membrane and nucleus. Cell membrane and nucleus. Jelly like substance between cell membrane and nucleus. Sixth one, organelles, tiny structures inside cell. Organelles, tiny structures inside cells. Tiny structures inside cells. And the fifth one, label the different parts. You have to do with yourself. Label the different parts. Label the different parts. Do with yourself. Do with yourself. And match the following. Again you can see cell, unit of living body. Cell, unit of living body. Nucleus, boss of the cell. And cell wall, plant cell. Chloroplast, green pigment present. And fifth one, cytoplasm, jelly like substance between cell membrane and nucleus. Organelles, tiny structures inside cell. And fifth one, label the different parts. Do with yourself. Now only answer the following is remaining. So till here you have to write in your copy. Till here you have to write in your copy. And match the following. You have to MCQ, no need of write in copy, only you have to fill in the book. And MCQ, no need of write in copy, only fill in the book, and till here you have to write in copy. Other exercises you have to write in copy.